Hi guys, good morning. We're here in Solvang, and then today we're gonna explore the different bakeries here. So we have 5 in our list.
As we know that Solvang is the Danish capital of America, and here are our top 5 picks. So starting with number 5, we have the Danish Bakery. The must-try pastry they have there is the marzipan pastry, rich and sweet with a smooth flavor. This pastry are true Danish delight. And also the bread, the poppy seed roll, soft and a soft roll filled with sweet poppy seed paste, offering a unique, delightful taste. And next we have number 4 in our list is the Burcs Bakery and Cafe. Good thing they also open early as 8 o'clock. I had my coffee there yesterday when we visited. So they have their cinnamon crispies, a thin crispy layer of pastry, and then also the bear claw. And then they have their own style bear claw. I mean, no, we have our own bear claw here in Fresno, but the bear claw, the Danish bear claw, is a must try because it's really different. And then we have number 3, we have the Solvang Bakery. Of course, Abel Skiver, and then they have their own sets of pastries such as the Napoleon hat. And then, by the way, the Abel Skiver is the renowned Danish pastry that they do in every time they dine. So you can also find this in their diners and their other restaurants. And number 2, we have the Mortensen's Danish Bakery. This one is a very big shop. They have the Danish Butter Cookie. It's very, very good. You must try this. And then this is they pack it in small packets, and then they also have it in boxes. And then they have the Spandier round pastry with a custard center, sometimes topped with jam, and it's always delicious. And number 1 in our list is, of course, the Olsen's Danish Bakery. This one is by the street. I mean the highway, and then it's always full. So the pro tip is you need to come early. They have the Kringle, the buttery flaky pastry filled with almond paste and topped with icing and nuts. And also the Danish Waffles. These are your typical waffles, but Olsen's version is very crispy. So again, you have to come there early because you will see it in the highway from the highway that the line is already very long when you come late. Pro tip, guys, Solvang is a busy area, so once you find your spot, make the most of it. Public parking are free, and so park your car and explore on foot. You'll discover charming shops, delightful bakeries, and picturesque streets, all within the walking distance. So enjoy the ambience and take your time soaking in the Danish-inspired beauty of this unique town. Happy exploring. That's all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed our show, and see you on the next one. Peace!